Did you know crows are among the most intelligent creatures on Earth? These remarkable birds have been observed using tools, a behavior that was once thought to be uniquely human. Crows can craft hooks out of twigs to fish insects out of crevices, showcasing their problem-solving skills. Not only that, but they're capable of remembering human faces, and they can hold grudges, or even form alliances based on experiences. In urban environments, crows have adapted by using traffic to crack nuts, dropping them in front of cars, and waiting for the lights to turn red to safely collect their prize. This adaptability highlights their incredible cognitive abilities. So, next time you see a crow, remember, they might just be watching you too.